If you want to cut and save an image, then you have to use crop and slice tool. To use crop tool, click on crop tool, that is fifth tool of the toolbar. Then drag over the image, over which portion you want to cut. Press enter and save the file. To use slice tool, click and hold on the crop tool and choose third option of the tool list. After selecting slice tool, you need to drag over the image. You can slice several times at a time. After slicing done, you can select by slice selection tool. After selecting, go to File option and click Save for Web. Choose where you want to save the file location. Click on Save. After the file is saved, you can go to the save location. Your sliced file will be there.